Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger XL. Coming in this nice cactus gray color, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the STX package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that nice tow hitch, backup camera of course. We do have nice black gripped running boards, trailer tow mirrors which are also heated, the nice STX badging. We also have that nice license plate bracket, a block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, got a fair bit of storage here, oh the sun, and a 12 volt. And of course if you don't need that extra person, this does fold down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And you do have under compartment storage as well if it wants to lift up, just like that. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have manual seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space. You have your light controls right there, and we have these new looking fans. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 12.7 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, your toggle for your screen, phone and media, voice, and volume and cruise control. And looking at your main screen here, you do have My View, Trip and Fuel, Off-Road, Towing, Audio, Phone, Settings, and Vehicle Maintenance. To my right, we have our gear shift, has speed adjusters, parking brake cup holders, storage with the USB and USB-C. You have your 4-wheel drive, auto stop, auto start, drive modes, rear locking differential, traction. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, eco, tow and haul, and slippery. And to my right here, we do have a fair bit of storage underneath with another 12 volt. You got your main climate controls right there, volume, fan speed. You can turn it on and off. You got storage there as well as right there. Storage right there, which is pretty nice. We got a nice new infotainment system. Shows you your stations. You got SiriusXM. Your keypad's just right there. You do have radio, phone, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, owner's manual, sketch, zone lighting, all that jazz. You got your tow and haul mode just right there. And you can access your vehicle settings from here as well by just hitting this vehicle right here. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE51545, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.